Which temple is the epicenter for the Rath Yatra in Odisha? A. Konark Temple. B. Jagannath Puri Temple. C. Mukteshwar Temple. D. Lingaraja Temple. B. Jagannath Puri Temple. Which musical instrument is played by Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma? A. Sarod. B. Sarangi. C. Violin. D. Santoor. D. Santoor. Nisha Gandhi Award is related to which state government? A. Karnataka. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Kerala. D. Maharashtra. C. Kerala. Who wrote Natya Shastra referring to Indian music? A. Vatsyayana. B. Language. C. Shudraka. D. Bharat. D. Bharat. Chikmagalur in Karnataka is famous for the cultivation of A. Jute. B. Saffron. C. Lychee. D. Coffee. D. Coffee. Which of the following is another term for the average income of a country? A. Disposable income. B. Per capita expenditure. C. Per capita income. D. Inflation rate. C. Per capita income. MRTP Act was enacted in 1969 to ensure that the operation of the economic system does not result in the concentration of economic power in hands of few. The full form of MRTP is A. Monopolistic and rising trade policy. B. Monopolies and restrictive trade practice. C. Market and reserve trade policy. D. Monopoly and regulatory trade practice. D. Monopolies and restrictive trade practice. With reference to the Major Port Authorities Bill passed in 2021, what is the TAP? A. Tariff Authority for Major Ports. B. Trip Agency for Minor Ports. C. Tariff Authority for Minor Ports. D. Trip Agency for Major Ports. A. Tariff Authority for Major Ports. In which algae are gametes flagellated and similar in size? A. Spirogyra. B. Eudorina. C. Volvox. D. Ulothrix. D. Ulothrix. Which of the following dynasties was ruling Magad just before the establishment of the Mauryan Empire? A. Kamba. B. Nanda. C. Haryanka. D. Shunga. B. Nanda. Muntakhabut Tawarik was written by A. Abdul Qadir Badani. B. Jahanara Begum. C. Akbar. D. Dara Shikoh. A. Abdul Qadir Badani. In which year did Georg Simon Ohm formulate the equation IVR which shows the relationship between voltage, current and resistance? A. 1827. B. 1822. C. 1835. D. 1830. A. 1827. Which of the following has the maximum vitamin D content? A. Wheat. B. Fish liver oil. C. Cow's milk. D. Groundnut. D. Fish liver oil. Identify a hydrocarbon pair that is not the part of the homologous series. A. CH4 and C2H6. B. C2H6 and C3H8. C. C4H4 and C5H10. D. C2H6 and C3H9. D. C2H6 and C3H9. The first edition of the Uber Cup, an international women's team championship in badminton, was organized in A. 1960 से 1961. B. 1966 से 1967. C. 1956 से 1957. D. 1963 से 1964. C. 1956 से 1957. What is the objective of the Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana? A. Helping the poor by providing free food. B. Helping the poor by providing free food grains. C. Helping the poor by providing free house. D. Helping the poor by providing skill training. D. Helping the poor by providing skill training. In 1942, who presented the trophic dynamic aspect of ecology, which is the basic process of transfer of energy from one trophic level to another in an ecosystem? A. Raymond L. Lindemann. B. Ernst Haeckel. C. Arthur Tansley. D. Charles Elton. A. Raymond L. Lindemann. Who among the following was elected as the first ever president of Barbados to replace Britain's Queen Elizabeth in October 2021 with a two-thirds vote during a joint session of the country's House of Assembly and Senate? A. Angela Merkel. B. Jacinda Ardern. C. Najla Bowden. D. Sandra Mason. D. Sandra Mason. Thrissur Puram festival is held annually in Kerala at which famous temple? A. Kali Temple. B. Vadakkunnathan Temple. C. Thiruvalla Temple. D. Sivagiri Temple. B. Vadakkunnathan Temple. Bilateral symmetry, segmentation, column and open circulatory system are the characteristics of A. Protozoa. B. Chordata. C. Porifera. D. Arthropoda. D. Arthropoda. When was the first International Day of Yoga celebrated in India? A. 21 जून 2014 B. 21 जून 2016 C. 21 जून 2013 D. 21 जून 2015 D. 21 जून 2015 Which of the following animal statues is depicted at the top of the Ashoka pillar of Rampurba? A. Elephant D. Lion C. Bull D. Horse C. Bull. As per the census of 2011, the most populous state of India was A. Bihar B. Uttar Pradesh C. Uttarakhand D. Madhya Pradesh B. Uttar Pradesh. Where is Hoshang Shah's tomb, the first to be completely built of marble, located in India? A. Burhanpur B. Delhi C. Agra D. Mandu D. Mandu. The term is an aerial pass on the dribble from the left side of the field in the field hockey. A. Halfback B. Bully C. Penalty corner D. Scoop D. Scoop. Which of the following folds are extreme types of overturned folds in which the axial plane acquires an almost horizontal attitude? A. Asymmetrical folds B. Normal folds C. Square folds D. Recumbent folds D. Recumbent folds. For which famous English novel did Sunetra Gupta receive the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1996? A. Memories of Rain B. Cuckold C. A New World D. Disorderly Women A. Memories of Rain. As of 10th April 2022, identify the state that has a bicameral legislature. A. Uttar Pradesh B. Madhya Pradesh C. Kerala D. Rajasthan A. Uttar Pradesh. Which chemical element from group 18 of the modern periodic table, whose atomic number is 10, contains a mixture of three stable isotopes commonly used to make signal and gas lasers and as a refrigerant? A. Helium B. Oganesson C. Radon D. Neon D. Neon. Which of the following is not an important feature of the industrial policy of 1991? A. Public sector policy B. Foreign technology agreements C. Industrial licensing policy D. No foreign trade policy D. No foreign trade policy. Kolar fields were famous for which of the following minerals? A. Copper mining B. Coal mining C. Diamond mining D. Gold mining D. Gold mining. Sankirtana is a style of one of the classical dances of India. A. Kathak B. Manipuri C. Kathakali D. Odissi B. Manipuri. What is the chemical name of salt? Table salt. A. Sodium chloride B. Sodium bromide C. Potassium bromide D. Potassium chloride A. Sodium chloride. Eid-ul-Fitr is celebrated on the first day of which of the following Islamic months? A. Safar B. Rabi'ul Awwal C. Muharram D. Shawwal D. Shawwal. Which of the following statements is not correct about Gupta Emperor Samudragupta? A. He was the successor of Chandragupta I. B. His court poet Bhimsena composed a prashasti of praise for him which was known as Gwalior Prashasti. C. On his gold coins he was depicted playing the harp, which shows his passion for music. D. He held the title of Maharajdhiraj. A. Statement D only B. Statement A only C. Statement C only D. Statement B only D. Statement B only. What is Azolla? A. Bryophytes B. Fern C. Algae D. Fungi B. Fern. Which committee demanded the Bill of Rights in 1928? A. Jawaharlal Nehru Committee B. Indira Gandhi Committee C. Motilal Nehru Committee D. Rajiv Gandhi Committee C. Motilal Nehru Committee. Which British archaeologist recognized in the 1940s that it was necessary to follow the stratigraphy of the mound rather than mechanically excavate it along a uniform horizontal line? A. Alexander Cunningham D. E. Hertz C. John Marshall D. Rem Wheeler D. Rem Wheeler. Which of the following is an autobiography of the 14th Dalai Lama? A. Freedom in Exile B. Dreams from My Father C. The Words D. The Test of My Life A. Freedom in Exile. Which of the following was the capital of Vajrayana during Mahajanabdas period? A. Virtangara B. Vaishali C. Kashi D. Sothivati B. Vaishali. Who among the following was deported for subversion in 1907 without trial to Mandalay in Burma? A. Mahadev Govind Ranade B. Bal Gangadhar Tilak C. Bipin Pal D. Lala Lajpat Rai D. Lala Lajpat Rai. Identify the woman social reformer who argued that religious leaders of every faith accorded an inferior place to women. A. Fatima Sheikh. B. Begum Rokeya Sakhavat Hussain. C. Rashsundari Devi. D. Savitribai Phule. B. Begum Rokeya Sakhavat Hussain. Which of the following regions related to iron ore minerals is located in the state of Odisha? A. Burban. B. Naomandi. C. Mayurbhanj. D. Kemangundi. C. Mayurbhanj. Identify the wrong pair of port and its state from the following. A. Kandla, Gujarat. B. Tuticorin, Tamil Nadu. C. Mormugaon Port, Goa. D. New Mandalore, Andhra Pradesh. D. New Mandalore, Andhra Pradesh. Which of the following layers of the atmosphere is most liable for the greenhouse effect? A. Stratosphere. B. Ionosphere. C. Troposphere. D. Mesosphere. C. Troposphere. Which of the following religious communities in India primarily celebrates the festival of Khordad Sal? A. Muslim. B. Parsi. C. Christian. D. Sikh. B. Parsi. Who among the following is a renowned tabla player carrying on the legacy of his father? A. Vishwa Mohan Bhatt. B. Hari Prasad Chaursia. C. Zakir Hussain. D. Ali Akbar Khan. C. Zakir Hussain. Who among the following was awarded the Dhyan Chand Award for Lifetime Achievement in Sports and Games 2021 in chess? A. Viswanathan Anand. B. Adhiban Bhaskaran. C. Abhijit Kunte. D. Vidit Gujarathi. C. Abhijit Kunte. In which of the following states was the Antyodaya Anna Yojana launched first? A. Bihar. B. Jharkhand. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Rajasthan. D. Rajasthan. Which state among the following launched the Ama Yojana in the year 2022 to give 20,000 rupees each to non-working mothers? A. Sikkim. B. Nagaland. C. Tripura. D. Mizoram. A. Sikkim.